In this lesson, we are going to learn about to be
sein,
and to have
haben,
in the present tense. Later, you will learn about these verbs in the past and future tense. To be
sein,
is considered an irregular verb in both English and German. That means when it is conjugated for different subjects, it will change to a unique word, rather than simply adding a predictable ending like ed or ing. The subject will determine how it is conjugated. With I am,
ich bin,
the subject is
ich
and the verb is
bin,
I am too tired to fill the basket.
Ich bin zu müde, den Korb zu füllen.
For informal, you are singular, it is
du bist,
you are not done yet.
Du bist noch nicht fertig.
When the subject is he, she, or it,
er, sie, es,
the verb is
ist,
my basket is too big to fill.
Mein Korb ist zu groß zum Füllen.
For we are, it is
wir sind,
we are too small to fill the baskets.
Wir sind zu klein, die Körbe zu füllen.
With informal you plural, you are, it is
ihr seid,
you are not too small, you are too hungry.
Ihr seid nicht zu klein, ihr seid zu hungrig.
For they are, it is
sie sind,
they are too big to fill.
Sie sind zu groß, sie zu füllen.
I think they are too small to make a pie.
Ich glaube, sie sind zu klein, einen Kuchen zu backen.
For the formal you, both singular and plural, the verb used is also
sie sind,
you are a wise woman.
sie sind eine weise Frau.
The conjugation for to have
Haben,
follows similar rules and also has some irregular forms you need to memorize. I have is
ich habe,
I have more berries than you.
Ich habe mehr Beeren als du.
For informal you have, it is
du hast,
you have berries that are too small.
Du hast zu kleine Beeren.
And for the subject, he, she, and it,
er, sie, es,
the verb is
hat,
he has berries that are too small.
Hat zu kleine Beeren.
For we have, it is
wir haben,
do we have enough berries to bake a pie?
Haben wir genug Beeren, einen Kuchen zu backen?
Just like with to have uses the same conjunction for they, as well as the formal you, both singular and plural. It is
sie haben,
you have very happy children. They have picked enough berries to bake a pie.
sie haben glückliche Kinder. Sie haben genug Beeren gepflückt, einen Kuchen zu backen.
To review, here is a chart showing how each of the subjects are conjugated.